Hi, my name is Roman, and I'm an instructor for this course. I'm glad to see you on this course. This is a practical course built on the Pareto principle. 80% practice, 20% theory. In this course, we will create a simple Telegram bot using the Node.js, Firebase Cloud Functions, and the Weather API. And we will deploy it to Firebase. We will start by creating a project on Firebase and local environment. We'll install the required libraries and will teach the Telegram bot how to send the current weather to the entered city. We'll learn what is environment variables in Firebase Cloud Functions and how to deploy the Firebase Cloud Function. If you are interested in this course, I hope you know some JavaScript, have some basic knowledge of the command line, and have a Google account for the Firebase. Please join this course and you will learn how to create a simple Telegram bot using the Node.js and Firebase Cloud Functions.